Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about MileIQ versus Everlance. Which one actually fits your workflow? So when it comes to choosing a mileage tracking app, you really got two options. Go for a dedicated mileage tracker that focuses on doing one job exceptionally well, or pick an all-in-one business app that tracks mileage and tries to manage your expenses, income, and dashboard all at the same time. Two of the most popular names in this space are MileIQ and Everlance. Both claim to make mileage tracking easier, but they take very different approaches. One is lean and focused and does its job effectively well, and one tries to be a Swiss Army knife. The real question isn't simply which one is better, it's which one actually fits your workflow. So in this video, we are talking about the main differences between MileIQ and Everlance, what each of them do versus how it actually is for gig workers, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market to market and case by case, and what applies to me in my market may not necessarily apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Ease of use. Simple versus all-in-one. So when choosing a mileage tracker, how easy it is to use on a day-to-day basis or sometimes a week-to-week basis can make or break whether or not you actually stick with it. Having a mileage tracker is one thing, but the point is that you stick with classifying drives and with using all of the tools within those apps. Some apps like to keep it simple and get out of your way, and other apps try to do everything at once, and that can affect your workflow in unexpected ways. MileIQ is built for one thing: mileage tracking. You install it, you let it run quietly in the background, and your drives are logged automatically. You swipe to classify and you're done. Everlance is similar to where you can swipe to classify, but alongside mileage, it tries to be a one-stop shop with expense tracking, income dashboards, and bank integrations. For some full-time business owners, that could be really useful, especially if you're doing your own taxes, but for part-time workers, seasonal drivers, or anyone using this to cover their bills, or they even work with a tax professional as opposed to doing it themselves, paying a premium for those features is like renting beachfront property or owning beachfront property and never going to the beach, or living in New York City to just work a retail minimum wage job. Like, you have the benefits, but you're not really using them. MileIQ gives you the function you actually need: clean mileage tracking, and without making you pay for tools that belong in a bigger operation than you're actually running, or have you accessing tools that you don't necessarily need or use. Accuracy and reliability. Mileage tracking isn't about having an app that logs drives. It's about having one that you can trust to run consistently, without draining your phone, without adding one more thing to manage. This is where a focused tool versus a feature-packed app really starts to show its differences. MileIQ is lean. It runs quietly in the background and focuses purely on mileage. It doesn't bog down your phone. It's built for one task and even reliable for older devices. Everlance runs automatically, but it's juggling multiple background processes: mileage tracking, expense syncing, income tracking, bank data. As a result, some users report overheating or a fast battery drain, especially on Android devices. Not necessarily a bug, it's a natural side effect of an app trying to do a lot at once. And when accuracy is tied to deductions, you don't want to rely on as long as it doesn't crash. You want a tracker that operates independently every time. Features: depth versus focus. Mileage trackers usually fall into two camps: apps that focus on doing one thing extremely well, and apps that try to become your entire financial system. Everlance leans heavily into the latter, while MileIQ stays laser focused. Everlance shines in features. It offers expense logging, income dashboards, and bank integrations, but MileIQ deliberately avoids that complexity, and it focuses exclusively on mileage, producing clean and audit-ready reports that your tax pro can work with right away. Here's where the more features pitch can backfire as well, especially if you're a hybrid earner who has a W-2 job job and does gig work on the side. If you connect your bank account to the same bank account that receives your W-2 paycheck and gig deposits, Everlance may pull in all the deposits as business income. And if you miss this, it can inflate your income and lead to double taxation at tax time. If you classify your own expenses inside Everlance, you may miss deductions that your tax professional would have caught. Or worse, overclassify and create audit red flags. Either way, your tax pro will have to spend time cleaning it up, or you risk attracting unnecessary IRS attention. Everlance assumes you want to be your own bookkeeper, but if you're not, and most part-time and hybrid workers aren't, or just don't have the time to be, those extra features can create more work and risk, not less. Reporting and tax readiness. Reporting is where rubber meets the road. At the end of the year or quarter, your tracking system needs to produce information your tax professional can actually use, not a pile of data that slows them down. MileIQ gives you clean, mileage-only tax reports that are audit ready. You can hand them straight to your tax professional without needing to explain anything or untangle what you've already done. Everlance also produces reports, but again, it tries to combine income, expenses, mileage, and the data can be dense and cluttered. For hybrid workers, this can actually make things more complicated than simple. And here's a key point. Not everyone needs those kind of reports in the first place. Many tax professionals are perfectly fine with working with bank statements and clean mileage logs. Bank statements are free and easy to access. They don't require maintaining or additional reporting within their systems. If your tax pro is satisfied with quarterly statements and a mileage log, there's no real benefit to producing extra reports that don't serve your workflow, especially if those reports are bundled with features you're paying for but you're not really using. That said, you will also have to ensure that you're working with a qualified tax professional that can truly capitalize on your tax savings at tax time without costing you an arm and a leg for the inevitable amount of 1099s you are going to be accumulating. This is where GigTax is here to help. And whether you're a rideshare driver, food delivery driver, do any other self-employed work, your time is too valuable to be wasting on tax prep. So while you keep hustling, GigTax can help you save big. GigTax was founded by Joseph Mayo, a seasonal gig worker with over 7,000 deliveries across 7 platforms since 2020. They understand the challenges that freelancers, rideshare drivers, couriers, online sellers, really gig workers all kinds, face on a regular basis during the tax season. And their #1 online tax preparation service is designed to help you maximize your tax savings and save you time, energy, and money. So enjoy exclusive discounts as well as a range of benefits such as electronic and state filing, year-round direct access to tax pros and financial partners, their client app and portal, and audit support. All of this is absolutely free and incredibly valued benefits when filing with GigTax, and more benefits are being made along the way. So if you're ready to keep more of what you earn, check out drivenwild.com/GigTax to book your strategy session and learn more about how GigTax can help you simplify and save on your taxes today. And with all of that said, back to the video. Price versus cost. Finally, let's talk about money. Not just the price of these apps, but the real cost of choosing a tool that doesn't fit your workflow. Everlance offers a free tier with limited mileage tracking, same with MileIQ, and its paid plan unlocks the full suite of features. Mileage, expense tracking, income dashboards, and more. MileIQ has a straightforward subscription focused entirely on mileage. But here's the key. The price is what you pay. The cost is what you lose when you choose the wrong tool. If you're running a full-time business and you want to centralize every detail, Everlance's extra tools might make sense, especially if you're very particular about doing your own bookkeeping. But for most gig workers, part-timers, and hybrid earners, paying for features you don't use is like paying for beachfront property and never going to the beach, or living in NYC just to work a minimum wage retail job. It doesn't make sense. And it's not just about the subscription fee. If your tax professional is perfectly happy working from bank statements, which are free, Why would you pay for dense income and expensing reports you'll never need? The cost of the wrong tool isn't just financial. It's the time spent managing features that don't fit your workflow. The battery drain of extra background processes, which takes away opportunities from you. Because if your phone isn't working, how are you tracking your miles or getting more orders? Like, I have had experiences where my battery was draining faster than I could charge it. Not to mention the potential tax confusion from unnecessary data, sometimes actually leading to extra charges from your CPA. Ask your CPA if they ever added an upcharge, somebody who brought in a box of receipts, and you'll know if that's actually possible. MileIQ keeps it simple, clear price, focused features, and real value you actually use. Final thoughts. Both MileIQ and Everlance are solid tools. This isn't to bash one side or the other, but they're designed for different people at the end of the day. Everlance suits users who want to manage everything in one place and have the time and knowledge to maintain that system. Most gig workers, hybrid workers, part-timers are really somebody who's building their own business and doesn't have the time to do their own bookkeeping, are paying a premium for features that just doesn't make sense and is a waste of money. That can create real problems. From misclassified income, messy tax data, to extra cleanup work for your tax pro, all in one can be too much. MileIQ focuses on what matters most: reliable mileage tracking. It's lightweight, it's dependable. It gives you clean, audit-ready logs without making you your own bookkeeper. And when you pair that with a trusted tax professional, you unlock real savings. That's why I recommend GigTax. They specialize in gig workers and hybrid earners just like this, and they turn clean data into maximum deductions without the extra headache. So check out both MileIQ and GigTax in the description to unlock effortless mileage tracking, tax support built for gig workers, and simplify and save today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, check out my website, drivenwyld.com, if you would like to learn more about some of the services and gig platforms we have talked about in the past and are offering to gig workers today. Also, if you want to stay on the cutting edge of what's happening in the gig economy today and be in the know of what most people are talking about, make sure to check out our new channel, the Gone Wild Live Clips and Podcast, where we take the live streams that we hold on YouTube and Rumble, cut them down to more digestible clips, and have them posted there. Also, check out my Patreon for exclusive clips that can't be posted on YouTube, full-length live stream replays, and membership perks for self-employed individuals who want to grow and scale their business. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until